What's up, everyone? Hey, this is we're 2 weeks in now. This is day 10, Friday, and it is insane how much work is getting done. They've already got windows in, all the framing's done in the house, putting on siding, both garages already re-roofed. You got to see this. This is insane. Look at that, brand new roof up there on that garage. That's all been sheeted. Oh. There's a window going right there near the door. You got new windows. He's working on the other roof. And now we got walls going all the way up. So this will all be of course, drywalled with can lights. I think 6 can lights in the living room, 4 in the kitchen. And now you can start to see the bedrooms come to shape. We decided to reroute the window over here so it looks a little bit more appealing from the street. Got our closets framed in now. I had a Northwest Granite and More come out to meet me to discuss the kitchen plans, and they should be ready to be here in 3 weeks from now. But we're gonna have the fridge, corner, sink area, dishwasher, a little 9-inch thing, stove, and then a big peninsula coming out here. We relocated the we were going to have the door to the second bedroom in here, but to have more space in the living room, we've relocated it right here. So yeah, got the wall going all the way up. New roof over there. Pretty crazy. Windows. We got windows in everywhere.
It's nomenclature. I said nomenclature, but I made nomenclature.
They also got siding too, so they're gonna start siding today. I don't think they're gonna get too far. I think they only got a couple hours left before everyone heads out, but pretty cool. See ya.